Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the coin cell battery, unlatch the stand from the monitor, pry the back cover off the machine. Find the I/O cover and remove the 5 screws. Lift the cover off the system. Identify the system-based shield and remove the 4 screws to lift it out of the system. Find and unlatch the coin cell battery to remove it from the system. To reinstall the coin cell battery, place it back in the system and press it down until it clicks into place. Place the system-based shield in the system and tighten the 4 screws to secure it. Secure the I/O cover with the 5 screws and place the back cover on the device. Relatch the stand to the monitor to finalize it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.